And there you are.
I guess I'm just worried that it will fail.
Here we go with it. I can't do it again. Crap. Oh, God. You are so incredibly annoying, I tell you. You're going to get a slap with it. Is this failure? Is this failure? Is this failure? Is this failure? Hello, who stepped out of my ass and said, take a look at my credentials? Is that failure? You fail if you're afraid you're going to fail. And if you write 10 things, 20 things, and you failed 19, you get 1, you win. Nobody made it there on their first try. Nobody makes it on their first avenue. And you're not alone. Look at us around you. Hello! The whole issue is about your insecurity again. Let's move on. You're insecure, you're scared, you don't want to lose weight, you look like an idiot. Alright, we understand. We'll do our best that you don't become that. And if you do, let's move on and get up and move on. What do you want to do? Hide in your little house for the rest of your life and write on little safe newspaper articles? Do you want, when you drop dead on your tombstone, do you want to write New Straight Time died here? What do you want? Hello! You and her is saying, so, I'm intimidated with her writing. It's just pure illogic.